We all depend on products that nourish us, hydrate us, and enhance our health and well-being. Over the past decade, the food and beverage industry has advanced by leaps and bounds, but the challenges are increasing dramatically. Consumers are searching for purposeful, active ingredients, more natural products, eco-friendly packaging, and more localized sourcing and manufacturing. For manufacturers, the margins for error are razor-thin, and the path to growth increasingly complex. To win the hearts and minds of consumers, today's visionary innovators require new tools and processes to succeed. At Dassault Systèmes, we see a unique opportunity for transformation. Our 3D experience platform empowers food and beverage innovators with virtual twins. A virtual twin combines the science-based representation of a product, supply chain, business process, or consumer with predictive power brought about by incorporating real-world data. This convergence creates a capability that enables optimization in virtually any scenario. By utilizing the virtual twin of product, manufacturers can optimize formulas and packaging in a virtual environment, saving precious time and cost. With the virtual twin of the supply chain, planning and manufacturing are designed not only for optimal inventory levels, but with the agility to manage disruptions and produce with excellence. Virtual twins of business processes help determine the best workflows and measure the impact of decisions before springing into action. With the consumer virtual twin, data is used to model the formula characteristics that will best resonate in the marketplace. The 3D experience platform provides an ecosystem to rapidly explore unlimited potential scenarios, predict future behavior based on real data, imagine sustainable solutions, and perfect them without risk, without waste. A future made possible by virtual universes. Experience it today.